Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a donation form. The platform that we'll be using for this example is JotForm. The reason why I recommend JotForm is because it is completely free to get started and it is also beginner friendly, meaning that the interface and the setup is quite beginner friendly, meaning you don't need any coding or any special skills to use it. The first thing you will need to do is go onto jotform.com. Once on the platform, you are going to sign up using your email address. After you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And all you'll need to do is hover over templates. Then you are going to select form templates. After selecting form templates, you will be redirected to this page, and it provides you with over 10,000 free online form templates that you can use. So this means that even as a complete beginner, your donation form will look professional, and again, it was created for completely free. So once on this platform or this page, better yet, you are going to scroll down, and I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option, as you are going to tap right where you see donation forms. After tapping on donation forms, you can see that we'll get access to 126 templates that we can use. Then all you have to do now is scroll down and choose a template of your liking. So any one of these templates is available and you can use it for completely free. So just scroll down until you find a template that best suits you. So let's say, for example, I want to use this template right here. Let me see. Let's say I want to use the church donation template. All I'll need to do is tap on Use Template. Once you have tapped on Use Template, you will be redirected to a new page. And from here, you can add your organization logo. Then you can add your organization name, or you can add your name. Once you are finished, you'll tap on Save. Then from here, you'll be able to edit your donation form. So if you would like to change the heading, you can do that. All you have to do is tap in the heading and you'll be able to change it. Or if you want to remove the heading, you can simply tap on the trash can to remove it. And you can see that this is a basic form. So if we'd like to add more elements to our form, all we have to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. Right where you see Add Elements, you're going to tap on the plus. And let's say, for example, you can see they have the full name already. Let's say we also want to collect their email address. All you have to do is tap on email. Then you'll simply drag and place it. And you can see right there. And you could do the same thing if you would like to add address, phone number, signature, or any one of these options. Or if you would like to add a short text, you can do that. Or if you want to add a long text, you can also do that by tapping right there. You can add anything to the donation form. For example, if you would like to add an image, you can do that. If you would like to upload a file, you can also do that right there. Once you are finished, all you'll need to do now, you can set up payments by tapping on payments right there. At the moment, you can see that PayPal is added. So you can see that PayPal is added right here. So all you will need to do is sign up on PayPal. So to do that, after you're finished right here, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on Settings at the top. After tapping on Settings, again, you can change the title right there. And you can edit your thank you page. So you can tap on thank you. Then from there, you can see how the thank you page looks. And if you would like to make any changes, you can tap right there. And you can also add fields by simply tapping on the plus right here. So if you would like to add something, you can do that. Or if you would like to change the layout, you can do that right there. So instead of it being this, let's say you want it to look like this, you could simply tap on that. And you can see right there. Or if you would like to change the image, you can do that. Also, if you would like to integrate anything, you can tap on integrations right there. If you would like to connect any other app, you can do that. And you can also set up the email responders if you want. Once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish. And you can see right here, once we have tapped on publish, you will see the link that you'll be able to use to share your donation form. Or if you would like to embed this form on a website, let's say for example on your Google Sites or your WordPress website, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on embed. Then from there you could copy the code, or if you're adding it to WordPress, you could simply tap on WordPress and then you'll be able to add the WordPress plugin. Or if you're adding it to Wix, you could get the Lightbox right there. Or if you would like to download it as a PDF, you can do that by simply tapping on PDF from the left hand menu option. Or you can also use plugins by tapping on plugins, and again you can download the plugin for WordPress. If you would like to download the plugin, for example, for your Google Sites or so on, you can also do that, and you can add it to Wix and Squarespace right here. Once you are finished creating the form, what I want you to do next is simply tap on Jot Form. Once you have tapped on Jot Form, the next thing you're going to do for me, right at the top where you see integration, you're going to hover over that. Then you're going to tap on PayPal. After tapping on PayPal, you'll be redirected to this page right here. And from here, what I want you to do is simply sign up. So all you're going to do is simply tap on exit. Then from there, you can tap on PayPal Business, or you can tap on PayPal Personal. So you can tap on PayPal Personal right here. After you have tapped on PayPal Personal now, you are going to sign in. So all you will need to do is simply tap right where you see Add to Form.